Ok, vamos a prepararnos para nuestra segunda tarea. Entonces, ¿qué debemos decir? Día por día. Arrancamos con el día lunes. Y decimos, I have math on Monday at 8 o'clock. Seguimos. I have art on Monday at 9 o'clock. Every day, I have recess time at 10 o'clock. I have science on Monday at 10:20. I have social studies on Monday at 11:15. Every day, I go home at 12:15. Segundo día. I have Spanish on Tuesday at 8 o'clock. I have math on Tuesday at 9 o'clock. Every day I have recess at 10 o'clock. I have math on Tuesday at 10:20. I have Spanish on Tuesday at 11:15. I go home at 12:15. I have art on Wednesday at 8 o'clock. I have Spanish on Wednesday at 9 o'clock. Every day I have recess time at 10 o'clock. I have social studies on Wednesday at 10:20. I have English on Wednesday at 11:15. I go home 12:15. I have science on Thursday at 8 o'clock. I have social studies on Thursday at 9 o'clock. Every day I have recess time at 10. I have physical education on Thursday at 10:20. I have art on Thursday at 11:15. Every day go home at 12:15. I have social studies on Friday at 8 o'clock. I have science on Friday at 9 o'clock. Every day I have recess time at 10 o'clock. I have English on Friday at 10:20. I have physical education on Friday at 11:15. Every day I go home at 12:15.